Right. Scene 1, take 1, action.
Dang it, Cameron, use all the peanut butter again. How am I supposed to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? I can't even make a peanut butter and strawberry, and I can't make any protein. The cholesterol.
Cut. Noah, here. The boom mic is in shot when you're holding it. I need you to hold it higher and keep it at that. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
It won't happen again.
Scene 1, take 2, action.
Dang it, Cameron, use all the peanut butter again. I can't make a sandwich anymore. I can't make a peanut butter jelly sandwich.
Cut. Okay, so it's still in frame. I need you to hold it high real quick. Okay, higher. No, you're getting in shot. Higher. Perfect. Keep it at that. Good. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Scene 1, take 3, action.
Dang it, Cameron, you used all the...
Damn it, Noah! Keep the mic out of shot! We ready for take 4, everyone? Yep. All right. Okay. Scene 1, take 4, action.
Dang it, Cameron, you used all the peanut butter again. I can't make a peanut butter jelly sandwich. I can't make a peanut butter and strawberry sandwich. I can't use it for my protein. I'm trying to get buff. I'm already skinny.
Major!
What?
You've been living here for 3 years. 3 years. Living roommates. You should know, I do not like peanut butter.
That's because you've been feeding it to your damn dog.
Scene. Perfect.
Dog.
Scene 2, take 1, action.
Dang it, Cameron, I'm tired of you eating all the peanut butter. I'm trying to get to 180. I'm too skinny for this. God, man, come on.
Cut! Noah! When I tell you to keep the mic in one place, you keep it in that place. What are you doing? It cannot be that hard to hold up a mic. In fact, switch places with me. Look. When you hold the mic, you keep it there. It cannot be that hard to keep it there. Look. What do you have, weak arms? I didn't hire you because you have weak arms. I hired you because you can hold a thing in the damn place it's supposed to be. Here. Do it right this time. Yes, sir. Scene 2, take 2, action.
Dang it, Cameron, I told you not to use the peanut butter. I'm tired of being 177. I'm trying to be 180, and you keep feeding the peanut butter to the damn dog. It's allergic to peanut butter. God.
Scene. Thank God. Okay, everyone, we're in our final scene. We just need to get this over with, and we can all go home. Scene 3, take 1, action.
I'm so sorry, Cameron. Cameron, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to get mad at you about the peanut butter. Are you okay? Please be alive. Cameron, come on. Cameron, come on. I didn't put you down.
Cut! Oh, God damn it. Noah. After yelling at you once, it's gonna be fine. Twice. But, oh my God! How can you keep doing it? How? And you cannot be that weak. You cannot be that weak.
I'm so tired.
I do not care. You can go home and you know what? You're fired. Get the hell out.